Hey guys, how are you doing? Shakie my love here. So I'm starting this vlog on a Monday. I'm just from filming. I'm just from filming, and I've not even taken breakfast. I feel like I'm hungry, very hungry. I have a lot of clothes to sew. Yeah, I'm going to be doing some sewing, cooking.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no,
home for many days, like many days, and I'm going back to my place. Look at that glow. So actually I unplaited my hair and it is clean, very clean. Look at it. So I've not been active, but actually I posted a video, and I'm just going back to my place because I have a lot of things to do. I have to run a lot of errands, and yeah, so whatever we've missed, I'm coming back. I'm going back to content creation, but I'm still home actually. But I love how I look. I look so cute. Hey, so I made this top a few days back, but it is very nice. I love it. I love the fluffy hands. I love the fitting, and then the fitting down. Like, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, I've been resting for
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up.